Solve under root x plus 9 minus root x, it is equal to 3. Solution will be root x plus 9 minus root x is equal to 3. Under root x plus 9 will be equal to 3 plus root x. Root x will be transposed on the right side with positive sign. Squaring both the sides, we get x plus 9 on the left hand side, which is equal to 9 plus 6 root x plus x. After squaring these terms, we get these two terms. It is left hand side, this is right hand side. So finally it becomes 9 will be cancelled with 9 and x will be cancelled with x. So 6x remains, it is equal to 0. Six x is equal to 0. X will also be 0. Checking the result. Root 9 minus root 0, it is equal to 3. That means root 9 is equal to 3, which is equal to 3. So the value of x is 0. This is the answer. Factorization problem. We have to find 999 square minus 1 over 998. We have to calculate the value of this. Solution will be by using the identity a square minus b square, which can be written as a minus b into a plus b. We'll solve this by using this identity. So 999 square minus 1 can be written as 999 minus 1 into 999 plus 1. So it becomes, after subtracting 1, we get 998 into 1000. 999 plus 1 will be 1000. So 998 into 1000 over 998. It is cancelled with this. 998 will be cancelled with this 998, and finally we get 1000. This is our answer. So the final value is 1000.